Word house words for early birds. Word birds, summer words. Word birds, summer words by Jane Belk, Moncure, and illustrated by Linda Hohag. Word bird made a word house. I will put summer words in my house, he said. He put in these words: park. And there's the bird town park. Swimming pool. Bathing suit. And there's the dressing room. Splash. Beach ball. Seashells. And if I was adding another word to the word house, I would choose kite. What do you think? Shovel and pail. Sandcastle. Oh, I love that one. Boat. Fish. Flowers. Butterfly. Lawnmower. Lemonade. Picnic. Watermelon. Ice cream. The 4th of July. Parade. Flags. Fireworks. Fireflies. Tent. Sleeping bag. Can you read these summer words with word bird? Let's do it together. Park. Swimming pool. Bathing suit. Splash. Beach ball. Seashells. Shovel. Pail. Sandcastle. Boat. Fish. Flowers. Butterfly. Lawnmower. Lemonade. Picnic. Watermelon. Ice cream. The 4th of July. Parade. Flags. Fireworks. Fireflies. Tent. Sleeping bag. You can make a summer word house. You can put word birds' words in your house and read them too.